Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a city in Blender. First, we will cover the essential workflow, starting with basic shapes and progressing to detailed structures. You'll learn to leverage Blender's robust modeling capabilities to create diverse buildings and street layouts. Our goal is to guide you through the process of designing an engaging urban landscape, ensuring you grasp the core principles for efficient and visually appealing results. Let's dive in and transform your ideas into a vibrant three-dimensional city. To begin constructing your city, we'll start with fundamental shapes, primarily cubes, as the base for your buildings. Utilize Blender's powerful extrusion tool to pull out walls and create depth, and employ loop cuts to add divisions for windows and doors. For repetitive elements, like multiple stories or identical facades, the array modifier is incredibly efficient, allowing you to duplicate objects along an axis with precise control, saving you significant time and effort. Once your basic structures are in place, it's time to infuse them with life by adding intricate details. Model windows, doors, and unique roof elements to give each building character. For realistic surfaces, apply physically based rendering, or PBR textures, which simulate how light interacts with different materials like brick, concrete, or glass. You can also use Blender's procedural textures to create varied and non-repeating surface details, enhancing the overall visual richness of your urban scene. The final step in bringing your city to life is proper lighting and rendering. Begin by adding a powerful sun lamp to simulate natural daylight, casting realistic shadows across your urban landscape. To enhance the scene's depth and realism, strategically place area lights within buildings to suggest interior illumination, especially for night scenes. Finally, adjust your render settings, such as samples and resolution, to achieve the desired image quality and produce a stunning, high-fidelity visualization of your meticulously crafted Blender city.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.